So back to Rainbow City, aka Guangzhou. I call it Rainbow City because it's so colorful. So yeah, the plan was to stop over on the way back home to Bangkok for 2 more days to check out phase 2 of Canton Fair. But yesterday just decided maybe I should stay for phase 3 as well. Yesterday, Danny, Chinese girl Danny, our sourcing agent who we've been in contact with for about a year now, she introduced me to this other American guy who's based here, who told me about this FBA meetup tonight. So that's what I'm walking down to. It's located here in what I call Times Square. And yeah, let's go check it out. I just think this is just cool, you know? Entrepreneurs with the same mindset. It's just cool. As you guys know, I started out at a meetup slash conference in Chiang Mai, October 2014, so I love this type of stuff, man. It's cool. I had no idea this was here, and there's like over 100 Amazon sellers here, so let's check it out. There, we'll get it on camera. This is the real quality. So I just did a live stream, and I was like going up to random people and like being like, yo, where are you from? How long you been doing Amazon? He's like, I know you, bro, YouTube. Anyways, this is the real YouTube. So yeah, where are you from? And tell me exactly what you're about to say. You just came out here a couple days ago.
Yeah, so I'm from California, Los Angeles particularly. I came out here a couple of days to just go to the Canton Fair, and I'm actually similar to you. I'm going to be just traveling.
Yeah.
So for the next 6 months to like about March, April-ish, I'll be in Thailand, Philippines, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, Indonesia, you know, all those good places.
It's a classic trip. It's such a good trip, dude. Is it your first time to Asia, or?
Yeah, other than when I was like 1 year old and then I went to the Philippines. But...
Nice, man. Awesome. We got the organizer here. It's Chris, right?
Yeah.
So this is for my YouTube channel. I have kind of a vlog. So tell people.
How many subscribers you got?
Just hit 20,000.
20,000?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not bad though.
Yeah, it's not bad, not too big, but I haven't heard of your FBA For You group until tonight. Richard told me about it.
Okay.
So tell my subscribers how long you've been involved in Amazon and what's the FBA For You group, what's it all about, where can they find you? And,
okay, no problem. Yeah, basically we started this event in Guangzhou at Canton Fair. So obviously there's a lot of Amazon sellers coming to Canton Fair. Yeah, so we started in 2015. And it was basically, I was interested in getting into Amazon at the time. So I thought, my job as before then was a sourcing manager. So I got to Canton Fair every 6 months since I've been here in 2012. And then I basically thought, there must be some Amazon sellers coming. So I'm going to come over to Canton and I'm going to throw out on Facebook and see if I can attract any. Like 2 guys turned up. So it's just me and 2 other guys. And none of us were doing Amazon yet. We were all just like interested in doing Amazon. And basically the event's going to grow to like, we had 400 people come in April over the 2 events. We run it. It's always the same. We run it on the 3rd day of phase 2 and the 3rd day of phase 3. So yeah, I don't know if you don't cancel Fair runs for 5 days.
Yeah, I'm going to phase 3 again next week. So
we got another event next week.
Oh, okay.
Same time, same place.
And how many people are here tonight?
We had 258 signed up last time I checked, but we've had like quite a few people turned up on the door that haven't registered. So
over 200 people signed up. And then you're selling on Amazon yourself now?
Yeah, sure, yeah. Seven-figure seller on Amazon, yeah. So.
Woo! 7-figure seller! Nice, man. That's cool. Like the power of the internet, you link people up. So yeah, props. Thanks for putting it together. And a quick tip on Canton Fair for newbies, like any tips that you share?
Yeah, wear good shoes.
Wear good shoes. Do you want to know what I was wearing today? What are those? These are actually Speedos. I've had them. I got them in Colombia, and they're very comfortable. They're comfortable, more comfortable than the fake shoes I got in Hong Kong. So
yeah, you need to be. What I do is I like rotate my shoes because I find even like I worn the shoes for ages and they don't hurt my feet, but then like you wear them for 2 days, going to the show's so huge, that suddenly your shoes start hurting. So I swap my shoes around, but a serious tip, yeah. I mean, what I would say at Canton Fair is most of the vendors there, you know, like by all means find the things you're looking for, but like worry about negotiating the prices and stuff like that afterwards, yeah. Because the prices at Canton Fair, it tends to be like inflated.
Yeah. I heard the same thing once or twice.
Yeah, so it's like get all the details, find out about the product. The other good thing is like swap WeChat with the sales girl.
Yeah.
You know, they got like these books with like loads and loads of people like wanting inquiries. If you've got their WeChat, you can just jump straight to the front of the queue, you know?
Yeah, right. That's what I've been doing, getting the WeChat. And then as far as negotiating, is it better to hire a sourcing agent that speaks Chinese to do the back and forth, or what are some negotiation tips? I'm a beginner as well.
Yeah, I mean, I think you can try and do it yourself. It may work out fine, but in the long run, I think you really need someone in China. My background's I'm a sourcing manager. I came to China to set up a sourcing team of 16 people. I'm now designing my own products I sell on Amazon, and I have sourcing people that I'm using, yeah, because it's just like I need other people to deal with that. I need people to do inspections, stuff like that. And if you want to really scale your business, you can't do it without the help.
Yeah, on the ground here in China.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Chris.
Thanks. Nice to meet you.
Check them out next time you're at the Canton Fair. Definitely come.
Come.
Okay, I got the G7X.
Yeah.
So Brock just started YouTubing.
Yeah. Just getting on it.
Tell every one of my subscribers what you're all about, where you're from, what you're doing in China. How'd you get here, man?
Yeah, so I'm Brock. I'm from Minnesota. I've been an Amazon seller for 2.5 years.
Oh, hell yeah.
I guess I'm famous because I sold solar eclipse glasses this summer. I killed it. And I went from
door-to-door solar?
No, I did solar eclipse glasses.
Solar eclipse glasses.
Yeah, so
this guy's a hustler.
Yeah, so I went from 0 to 6 million in 6 months. And so that makes me like kind of famous.
Oh my god, now you're like, I can just retire and start a YouTube channel.
Yeah, so it's like I want to share my experience, and then more $50, $100 million videos now.
Holy shit! So you came up with, you sold the solar eclipse glasses on Amazon?
Yeah.
And so you were probably one of the first people to do that, and you just got ridiculous amount of sales, like $6 million in sales?
Yeah, $6 million in sales.
Just in this year?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
It got crazy near the end. I had like $500,000 days.
Oh my god!
I know, right?
So, do you want to tell us your brand? Can people still buy your brand, or is it going to underground?
No, we're done.
Okay, cool.
We're done.
We're done until the next 20 years when the next one comes.
Yeah.
And then what brought you to China?
Yeah, well, I came here last year, and then I just have a giant capital infusion. It's just like I sold my company.
Yeah, right. Exactly.
Now it's like boom, sourcing, and I'm finding products that are have a bigger purpose, and then I'm going different. I'm going like $1,000 products, like nobody's competing, like where there's no competition.
Wow.
Well, because you need a lot of cash.
Yeah, exactly.
And so I'm just finding those couple really killer products that are awesome that and I'm really diverting from Amazon as well. I'm going more Facebook, Facebook, Shopify, building a brand, something that's like more sustainable long term. I hate the anxiety of waking up every morning and fearing the red flag of death.
The red Amazon flag? Yeah. So you've been selling on Amazon for a few years, and then the idea just came to start the eclipse glasses, just because the opportunity.
Yeah. Well, I was looking to get into private label. I failed my first 5 products, and then I hit this one.
He failed his first 5. So before the glasses, you hadn't really had a home run yet? Like profitable?
No profit.
So how many years of duds did you have? Like 1 year duds, 2 years?
Well, I did wholesale, I did retail arbitrage, I did many other things for 2 years, and then I just hit I failed private label for half a year, and then just...
Well, that's what I tell everyone who asks me questions through YouTube about Amazon. I say your first product is probably not going to hit. Maybe 50%, maybe worse, but that's better than a lot of startups.
Yeah. I'll give out my first product. It was just a coffee mug with the 80-20 principle on it. Everybody everybody talks about it. Everybody drinks coffee. A lot of people that drink coffee, like, or like, you know, a lot of productive people drink coffee. Like, so I thought, you know, all these things, but you know, if nobody's looking for something, you don't go to Amazon to create a market.
Exactly. That's what I tell. That's a major key. Amazon is all about keywords as well. People aren't searching on Amazon 80-20 mug or 80-20 paraphernalia. So Amazon's a combination of supply and demand, but also at the same time a good idea. That's a good idea. But at the same time, the solar glasses, that was a good idea, and people were searching for it. So that's what made it successful.
What do you have for a mic?
This is a very good built-in mic.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, built-in mic.
Okay, so I was just worried that like it wouldn't pick us up right now.
It's going to be really good, even with the background noise. So before we go, any other tips for people starting Amazon? Like, how much cash did you start with? Like 10,000, 1,000?
I started Amazon with negative like $200. I mean, I hustled though. I did like Amazon and eBay at the same time. I went and I bought, I wrote like a little program and I would analyze eBay listings and essentially buy big lots of Nintendo 64 games and then sell them out individually and make money. And at the same time, I would just retail arbitrage, go buy shit from Walmart and sell it in the holidays. And then like Black Friday, just getting those deals. And I did that. And then Radio Shack went out of business. I made like $200,000 off of Radio Shack going out of business.
Holy shit.
I went to over 300 stores around the country. I just relayed that. So I would go 30 grand into debt, open all these credit cards, make cash, go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, and then keep doing that. And then I would like wait until they were closing more stores, just build inventions in my free time. And then, and then like I decided I want something that scales. Built, you know, got into private label, failed. Went to China, said I would learn the fastest. So I mean, like, immerse yourself totally in the ecosystem, learn all of it. Like, if you just learn all the pieces, it'll take a while, and you can put it together. Just take calculated risk. Don't do something stupid. Don't put $7 grand into a product you know nothing about. You know, like, every chance I've taken, I've known that the most I could lose is like 15%. And I've been wrong. Okay, I was wrong on 5 private label products, but I've sold over 5,000 unique products, and I've only failed on less than 50. Like, I've never lost money, and it's just because you have to think about it and be smart.
Exactly. Hustle. Be smart work, not hard work necessarily, but it also does take hard work. Are you a 4-hour work week fan by chance?
Oh yeah, I love Tim Ferriss, but guess what? You don't work the 4 hour. You work the 4-hour work week so that you can work 89 a week, so that eventually someday you can work 4.
Exactly. It's not a literal term. It's all about, you know, hustling, 80-20 principle. So you can come and travel the world and do interesting things. So what is your dream in the future? Are you all about travel, or do you want to build?
Yeah, well, like I'm traveling. I just got married. I'm going on a 6 months to 1 year honeymoon. I'm going to like Australia, New Zealand, everywhere in the Southeast Asia, India, so many places. But the dream is, you know, I'm going to build a giant estate out in the mountains. I'm going to build this giant LED. Okay, this is a big dream.
Yeah, sure. Share it, man. Put it out into the universe.
Yeah, so I'm going to build this giant forest. That's these giant trees that are the coolest thing in the world. I'll send you pictures. That's something you can like put in this video. And it's going to be this giant connected forest, and it's going to be mood sensing and like this giant sentient controllable forest. And I'm going to host some festivals there and like retreats to make your life better. And yeah, I'm going to have a bunch of animals there, like some llamas and some goats. It's going to be fucking awesome. And then eventually building a company where it can sense your mood by using computer vision, your biometrics and all these different things. Tell what your mood is at any given moment. Change your environment, like change the lights and the music, and essentially just make your life better. Predict when you're going to be mad. Like interject into your life. I'm a technologist. And but you need capital to make it happen. But you know, I'm slowly getting at it right now. Like with the next thing I'm doing, I'm getting into that space. So.
Using technology to improve lives. I love it. I'm a futurist, technologist, all of that shit.
Are you a biohacker?
A little bit. I'm also into, like, I'm kind of a low-key hippie as well, but I'm also a hustler and love to travel and all that shit. I think you just got a few subscribers because I see some similarities between our personalities, but check his channel out if you want to follow his journey from the very beginning. You can say you were there from the very beginning. Click the link in the description. So,
awesome.
Good shit, Brock.
Dude, this has been, glad talking to you.
Woo! Yeah. Awesome. Fucking crazy! So this is Richard. Danny China introduced me to him last night randomly. So he showed me this meetup. So tell everyone like where you're from and I guess like what brought you to China and a little bit about your e-commerce experience in 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay, well I'm from LA, California, and I'm working for an American trading company who's importing food pretty much. So like in China, it's known for being polluted, so like nobody wants to eat the food in China. So we bring in like vegetables, fruits, and stuff like that. And honestly, well that's what I do for work, but I originally came here to learn Chinese and the culture, and I made a lot of friends. And through these friends, I find out about all these events. And I'm in a soccer league here. It's pretty intense. I mean, like my teammates are from like all over Africa, like Middle East, Asia, of course, and
everywhere.
So it's a nice experience. Yeah.
Once you move to a new city, the expats all come together with events like this, and obviously it can be 5 years can go by pretty quick. I know how it goes.
They do. Which is kind of scary.
I know.
You look back and you're like, oh man, what did I do?
I've heard that sentence multiple times, but anyways, this is Richard, that's it. Anyways, that was fun, and Danny China showed up, thanks. She's the one who basically got me here, and if you are looking for a sourcing agent in China, she is now my official recommendation. So I ran it by her, so check the blog post in the description and maybe you can get in contact with her company. So, all right, good stuff. See you guys at next Canton Fair. It's twice a year, April and October. Okay, bye.